You can make as much as $300 daily buying and selling cryptocurrency via the P2P. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julius, and on this channel we make videos on how to improve your personal finance, which include how to make money both online and offline, how to manage your money, how to invest, and every other things you need to navigate your road to financial success. If you're interested in things like this, kindly like this video, subscribe, and click on the bell button so that you can always get notified when we drop videos on this channel. In this video, I am going to show you a step-by-step process on how to buy and sell cryptocurrency on the Binance app via P2P method, and how much you can make daily by doing this. P2P simply means peer-to-peer. It is a way for people to connect and do things directly with each other without the need of a middleman or a central authority. So Binance P2P trading is buying cryptocurrency from those who have it and selling it to those who need it directly. Binance is just to serve as a platform to carry out these transactions. Binance also serves as an escrow in order to make sure that your transactions are safe. They hold cryptocurrency to make sure that the seller receives payment. So it is not possible for someone to run away with your money or crypto while trading via the P2P method. You can make as much as $300 daily buying and selling cryptocurrency via the P2P. So let's get straight to the point.
To get started, you have to launch your Binance app, and if you don't have a Binance account, check the link above to watch a step-by-step tutorial on how to create and verify your Binance account. And you should have also linked your bank account to your Binance, because that is where you will receive payments when you sell crypto on this app. I have also created a video on this, and I will attach the link in the description below. So to get started, you click on P2P. You can actually find it on your shortcut, and if it's not there, you go to More Service, you go to Trade, then you click on P2P. And now we have the buy section and the sell section. We use the buy section to buy crypto, and we use the sell section to sell cryptocurrency. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be buying a crypto. And the next thing to do is to select the currency you want to trade with. So you click on this box on the upper right. Here you can select available currency that you would like to trade with, or you can search for your preferred currency. You can search for USD if you like to trade with the US dollar, and you can also search for GBP if you're interested in trading with the British pounds. So the next thing you have to do is to check for the coin that are available for trading on this app. So you come right here. As you can see, we have USDT, we have BTC, we have FDUSD, BNB, and other coins. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be trading the USDT. So let's select that. And you should also take note of the details of any trader you like to trade with. You should check how many times they've traded, their completion rate, and the average time it takes to complete a trade with them. So this will help you to know how long it will take to complete a trade with any trader. And before trading, make sure that the completion rate of the trader you are interested in trading with is more than 80% and above, because 80% and above is good and can guarantee the safety of your trade. Now to start trading, we'll proceed to filter. That is the icon that looks like a funnel up here. So in the filter, we can enter the amount we are willing to use to buy our cryptocurrency. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to buy crypto worth 30,000 naira. And the essence of this is that after entering the amount that we like to spend on buying our cryptocurrency, we now have a list of traders that are ready to sell this particular amount. So let's confirm. As you can see now, we have traders that want to sell within 4,000 naira to 95,000 naira, 11,000 naira to 301,000 naira. So we are just going to have a list of traders that want to sell around what we want to buy. We can now proceed after checking the details of the trader we want to deal with. Like I said, every trader you'll be trading with, make sure that they have 80% above completion rate. The number one person on our trading list right now is Omobola 121. That person has a completion rate of 95.50%, and that's a very good one. The person has also completed 1,459 trades, and the average time it takes to complete a trade with that trader is 15 minutes. We can also have trader that takes like 30 minutes or 45 minutes to complete a trade with them. But this shouldn't actually be a bone of contention, because the most important thing here is to have a successful and a safe trade. So we click on buy. And another thing you should take very serious is to read the advertiser time. The trader you want to trade with, make sure that you read their terms and conditions, because a lot of traders do have terms. So it is important for you to read their terms. For this trader, we have no third-party payment. I'm active here. If you want to pay, go ahead. No need for plenty questions. You can't find payment details, click on payment button, it will show you. Don't mark paid if you haven't paid. I will report your account immediately. So these are the things that you should actually avoid when you are trading on Binance. You have to pay before you go ahead to click paid. Click transferred once you pay. I don't reply to messages. I already made it known that I'm active here. Once I confirm your payment, I release fast. So after reading the terms and conditions of this trader, I'm actually cool with it. So I'll just proceed to buy my USDT from the trader. So far, they have a very high completion rate. So I'm rest assured that it's going to be a successful trade. So let's go ahead to buy. Like I said, we want to buy for 30,000 Naira only, just for the purpose of this tutorial. So I click on buy USD. So as you can see, seller crypto is escrowed by Binance. Your crypto has already been locked by Binance, so it is not possible for you to send money to them and they will not run away with both your money and your crypto. So for 30,000 Naira, we are going to receive 24.5 for USDT. So we'll proceed to make payment. You click on make payment. Now you have to read all these messages that are actually popping up on your screen. It will give you a guideline and actually make trading very easy for you here on Binance. Now we can see the details of the trader, and the next thing we have to do is to make payment to the trader's account. And after doing that, you click on transfer, notify seller. So right now I'm going to send money to the trader's account. And you also have to have it at the back of your mind that payment should be made within 15 minutes, because if you didn't make payment within 15 minutes, then the trade is going to automatically cancel and you have to start the whole thing from the beginning. So you can also send a message to the seller by letting them know you've made the payment. Then you click on transferred, notify seller. So if you have issues with your seller, probably you paid and they are not releasing your crypto in time, you can click on appeal so that Binance will step in and settle the whole thing amicably. So you cannot just lost your money while trading the P2P on Binance. So we'll wait for the seller to release our coin, and voila, we got our coin. We have our 24.54 USDT. So now we'll go to our funding wallet. Funding, you see our USDT sitting right there. So this is how to simply buy USDT on the Binance app via the P2P method. So to sell crypto via the P2P method, we just have to follow the same procedure we follow when we wanted to buy. So you click on P2P, then you go to the sell section, you go to filter, and enter the amount you would like to sell. So for me, I would like to sell 20,000 and confirm. Do not forget, we have to check the trades that the trader would like to deal with has done, their completion rate, and the average time it takes to complete a trade with them. For the first trader on our list, favorite trader has completed 5,184 trade with a completion rate of 99.5, and the average completion time is 30 minutes. That's good. So we can also share the second person, but we should also consider the rate that we are selling to. Like the first person on the list has a rate greater than the second person, and the second person has a rate greater than the third person. So we should also consider that. So like the first person on this list is buying our coin for 1,211 naira 50 kobo. So the detail of this first trader on the list is actually good, so we can proceed to sell our coin to him. So here you enter the amount you want to sell. You go to buy fiat. So the fiat means your local currency, 28,000. Do not forget the payment time limit. That's the average time it takes to complete a trade with this trader is 30 minutes. So we have to put that at the back of our mind too. So you now click on sell USDT. So like the other time, we're the one that paid to buy USDT, but now they are paying to our account. So we have to wait for the buyer to send payments to our account. So once the buyer has paid, they click transfer at their own end. But you just have to check your own mobile app to see if you've actually received your payment. This is very important. You have to open your mobile app and check if you receive your money. But once you receive your money, you have to click on payments received here. You confirm I have received and verified the following amounts in my account. Because if you did not quickly release crypto too, they can actually appeal. Binance will step in, and if you are fond of doing this every time, your account might actually be suspended. Confirm release. Now I've released the crypto to the buyers, so now I can give the trader a feedback, either positive or negative. But of course, I don't have any issue with this trade, so I just have to give the trader a positive feedback, leave comments. Buying and selling crypto on the Binance app via P2P method is that simple. So if you're actually wondering how do you make money daily doing this, So you can actually buy crypto from people and sell it on Binance app via the P2P method. So by doing this, you will make profit and you can repeat this process as many times as possible.
If you like this video, kindly subscribe and click on the bell button so that you can always get notified whenever I upload videos like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.